Their batches are small, their craft is precise, and their passion is strong. 7 Cave Spirits distills both gin and rum. They also mix up the classic cocktail and experiment with others. Watch this.
So the way this still works is this is a 28-gallon still with a 4-plate reflux column. I am Jeff Longenecker. I'm with 7 Cave Spirits. 7 Cave Spirits is a distillery here in San Diego, a craft distillery, founded on the principle of small batches of delicious booze. Our focus here are aged rums and gin. So these are really delicious, very fruit-forward juniper berries. These are fresh blood oranges, locally grown bare limes. My favorite part of the process is the creation. I love to sit and think about flavor. I wake up thinking about flavors in the morning. And when I get extremely awesome, fresh ingredients, it just inspires me to come in and just not mess them up. Just to make something that's delicious out of it and bring out the true essence of that product. 7 Caves is founded on a couple of different principles. One, I recommend coming in because you're going to experience rum and gin like you've never had before. The gins that I make here are singular. They're different. One of my gins, for example, is a tiki gin that has pineapple, passion fruit, coconut, and tangerines in it. And it's a very dynamic drink. One of my favorite things to do at the shop is to teach people about craft spirits. So I love that. I love having groups of people in here who are really inquisitive, who will ask the questions, and we can get in the weeds on any of the eccentricities of the shop. I can serve them the things that I'm working on and show them simple cocktails based on just easy cocktails that you can recreate at home with my spirits. It starts with 7 Caves rum barrel aged maple syrup. This is a Vermont maple syrup that I age in my rum barrels. We just coat the bottom of the glass with maple syrup. Then we add 3 dashes of good orange bitters. And then put about 1.5 ounces of rum. No bar tools necessary. This is a super easy tiki-inspired cocktail with our tiki gin. It's quite delicious. This is a take on sort of a traditional sunset. So you take 2 ounces of 7 Caves La Jolla Cove gin, which is a California sea kelp and Meyer lemon gin. We just add 1 ounce of Blanc vermouth. 2 ingredients. Martinis should be stirred, not shaken. We stir them with some big pieces of ice. And then lemon balances the salinity of the cocktail. I want people to come and enjoy and learn about craft spirits from somebody really dedicated to working towards something that's just different. And it's fun to explore the different things that these alcohols that I make here can become. It's just awesome.